Why empty stomach makes noise. We all knew our digestive system is a long tube starting from the mouth to the end hole. Now, food travels through this tube because muscles contract in a wave pushing the food downward. This process is called peristalsis. This contraction helps food not only in traveling down, but also serves to mix and churn food, liquid and digestive juices together. Thus, the sound we hear is the result of this muscular contraction. But why do we hear them when we are hungry? Because muscle contraction is a continuous process run periodically when your stomach is empty. The air present inside it makes a louder noise, as there is no food inside to absorb that noise. That is why we hear noise. Hope you find something interesting in this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel.